kebangsaan Italia. National, ya?
because I think it's the true way, and I see that spiritually make me more believe, and yeah, that's why I choose Islam, because I see that both actually believe.
Pius Smith
And consciousness,
were reciting
by listening
the two kalima shahada
to Kalama Sada
declaration
declaration
of Christ.
of Christ.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu,
an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu,
an la ilaha
an la ilaha
illallah
illallah,
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Okay?
Translate. Aku bersaksi.
I bear witness there is only one true God, whom is Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is his last messenger.
Takbir! Allahu Akbar.